We're here with Rochelle today, who has a new listing for us in one of the most coveted cities in the entire state. There's beautiful views surrounding this entire property. Why don't you tell me where we're headed today?
We're headed to beautiful Heber City.
Can't wait to take a peek.
One of the things I love about Heber City is the small town feel, and you really have an outdoor paradise. There's the lakes and golfing and skiing just minutes away.
And how about the views?
The views are incredible.
This home is located in a perfect spot where you can take advantage of all those mountain views, and on the inside of the home they have a number of upgraded features.
This home is built in 2021, so it really still feels like brand new. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. There's lots of room for entertaining, great big kitchen and open space.
Such a spacious layout. I love the kitchen area, especially that large kitchen island. You can see up to 4 there, and with close proximity to the living space and the dining area, this would be a beautiful area for all of your holiday entertainment.
It really is spacious, but it just feels so cozy. And this is the master suite. You have a beautiful spa-like bathroom with a separate tub and shower, walk-in closet.
They have wonderful finishes throughout this home, beautiful cabinetry. I can't help but notice all of it matches throughout the entire home. Very cohesive, and not only do we have plenty of space already finished in this property, there's an unfinished basement as well, so you can get creative with what you want to make the home down the road in the basement area.
That's right, and upstairs you have this beautiful loft area that you can use as a playroom or a home office. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs with their own bathrooms and walk-in closets. It's really a great layout.
Very large bedrooms as well. I noticed that one had up to 3 beds in it. Imagine the space that you can use that for. And the views, especially from that covered deck area upstairs, give you wonderful views of Mount Timpanogos.
The backyard has everything you need for entertaining. There's patio lighting, a hot tub, this gas fire pit, and a pergola. You even have your own greenhouse.
I cannot imagine how enjoyable this backyard will be for the new buyer, and the fact that it's all finished and ready to go, completely turnkey and ready for its new owner.